So basically my sister has a blog, and for Celiac Awareness Month, which was in May, she designed these custom temporary tattoos with Inkbox, just to kind of spread awareness and whatnot. And so I'm going to be showing you guys how I applied my tattoo. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this makeup look, as well as learning a little bit more about my sister's cause and also seeing how I applied the tattoos, then please keep watching. So we're gonna move on to the next part of this video, which is the tattoo application, and I'll tell you guys a little bit more about this. So my sister was diagnosed with celiac a couple of years ago, and basically she has her blog. It's called the Celiac Corner, and I'll link it down below for you guys if you want to check it out. And so basically for Celiac Awareness Month, which was actually in May, what she decided to do to raise awareness for people who suffer from celiac or even just gluten intolerance or whatnot, she designed a couple custom tattoos with Inkbox. And the Inkbox tattoos are temporary tattoos and they last about 2 weeks. She created a GoFundMe page in which you can donate a certain amount of money. $20 gets you a tattoo. Anything less than that will just be a generous donation, and $500 is going to be donated towards the Celiac Disease Foundation, and anything else will just help to continue selling these amazing tattoos to raise awareness. So any support and any donation is appreciated. And so if you guys do want to learn more or know more about celiac or about the project, I will link all of her information down below, and your support is much appreciated. So let's get started. This is what the packaging looks like. It's so cute. We open it up. So she designed a couple designs. The one that I chose is like this cute little dead toast. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Okay, and let's just read these instructions. That is so cute. Where do I want to put this on? Okay, so basically first, peel the white backing off of the ink box to reveal the adhesive. Okay. This is hard. Am I doing this right? Oh, okay. So that's what it looks like once the white backing is peeled off. Stick the ink box to your skin, sticky side down, then peel the black layer off. You can only stick it once, so make sure you get it right the first time. Don't touch the exposed navy blue fabric layer with your fingers. Okay, where do I want it? Maybe like here somewhere? So I think I'm gonna do it right here, then peel the black layer off. So then it also comes with a cloth, and it says, tear the corner of the cloth bag open, leave the cloth in the bag, and place in the microwave for 12 to 15 seconds. Okay, so now that I've heated my cloth, it says, open the white packet and dab it on top of the navy blue fabric. Alright, so I've got my glove on. I'm opening this little wipe, and I'm just dabbing it on the fabric. Then it says, take the cloth out of the bag and then fold it over so that it's a 4x4 square. So like, oh my god, that's hot. Like so. And then it says, hold the cloth over top of the ink box and press down as hard as possible with your palm for 30 seconds, making sure you cover the entire design. Ah! That's hot! Then hold firmly for 15 minutes while constantly changing the position of your hand. This ensures that you're supplying even pressure to the entire design. Just make sure the cloth doesn't slip. Do not remove or adjust the cloth. This may lead to leakage around the edges. Alright, so I'm gonna hold this for 15 minutes and then I'll be back. Hey Google, set timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes, starting now.
Okay. So now that that's done, it says, after 15 minutes, peel the ink box off low and slow in the direction your hair grows. If some of the design is still stuck to your skin, peel it after rinsing. It's so cute. So then it says, wait 5 minutes to let the area dry and then wash your skin with soap and water to remove excess ink. So we're gonna wait 5 minutes to let it dry and then I'm gonna wash it off. Okay guys, so I just rinsed it off. Unfortunately, the tattoo doesn't show up right away, so it literally looks like there's nothing there, but it actually develops within 24 to 36 hours. So maybe in my next video you guys will see it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.